Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
BMW Reversing Assistant automates backing out by replaying a recorded forward path. It records approximately 50 meters of low-speed driving. Ensure Parking Assistant Plus or Reversing Assistant is enabled in iDrive settings and that cameras and sensors are clean. Use the feature only when it is safe. Keep your seatbelt on, hands on the wheel, and be prepared to intervene immediately. The system relies on ultrasonic sensors and cameras, so bright sun, heavy rain, or ice can reduce reliability and detection range. To record a path, drive the exact route forward at low speed, generally under 36 km/h, allowing the system to capture up to 50 meters. When you need to back up, shift into reverse and press the Reversing Assistant or Parking Assistant button shown on the iDrive screen or console. Confirmation icons appear. The vehicle will then automatically steer and modulate throttle and brakes to follow the recorded track while you monitor surroundings. Stay ready to brake and override steering. The system pauses if you touch pedals or turn the wheel. Safety is paramount. Always supervise the reversing maneuver, keep hands on the wheel, and be ready to brake instantly. The assistant will stop or disengage if obstacles appear. Sensors are blocked, whether reduces visibility or if you touch the pedals or steering wheel. If the system does not record or will not activate, wipe lenses and ultrasonic sensors clean, reboot iDrive by turning off and on, and confirm feature activation in settings. If problems persist, schedule service with a BMW dealer so diagnostics can check camera calibration and software.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.